At Estes Services, we're here when your home's comfort and air quality are on the line. Our Alpharetta, Georgia customer called because their home felt sticky. They were dealing with high humidity levels, musty smells, increased allergy symptoms, and foggy, wet windows throughout the house. After a full inspection and detailed humidity assessment, our team recommended and quoted a Whole-Home Dehumidifier. We carefully installed the dehumidifier and integrated it directly into the home's HVAC system for consistent, house-wide humidity control. We programmed the system for optimal summer performance, reducing humidity levels to improve indoor comfort, protect furniture, prevent mold, clear up windows, and lower cooling costs. We tested the system to ensure proper airflow and drainage, and cleaned the work site thoroughly, verified humidity control throughout the home. If your home feels sticky or your windows are constantly fogging up, call Estes Services today. A Whole-Home Dehumidifier can make a big difference, especially in Atlanta summers. It's that easy. It's Estes.